besties. So if you're new here, I am Vanessa, and if you're not new here, hey. I'm really trying to lighten up my mood because it's officially back to school time. So I am about to go back to school shopping. If you guys seen, I posted my 2 vacation vlogs, and then now it's time for back to school already. You guys can't see the pimple right here, but it's growing and it gets larger by the day. It's because I'm stressing out. I'm getting stress pimples because school is about to start, and I just haven't grasped the mental capacity that school is about to start back again. So I'm actually just got here at Walmart, so I'm gonna do some of my Walmart back to school shopping and supplies. I have a checklist, and for anything I can't find, I'm probably going to order online on Amazon, and then I'm gonna also go to Dollar Tree because I love me some Dollar Tree, y'all, and I'm not afraid to admit it.
I just looked at my wrist, I got time today. Fuck it, I'm crossing the line today. The hate be so real, the love be fake. Be bumping their gums and bumping my tape. Don't go against me, they ask for my help. Go get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gon' step.
Hope the things that I need isn't sold out already.
She got a nigga, he got a shirt. Why? You can't compete when you can't compare. She ate the dick through my underwear. Got up and got herself out of there.
I don't really need to do too much back to school shopping this year. My classes are like more like simple, more so reading and writing. So I need stuff like sticky notes, obviously some pens, my big whiteout, and maybe like a notebook.
I'm lit, let's celebrate in my bag, let's cheat. These niggas with me with whatever I'm with. You know who did it, got everybody hit. Bitch, I don't like niggas, I don't like bitches, I don't like nobody.
I just want y'all to see the struggle I go through. Everything is college ruled, and I hate college ruled paper. I need wide ruled.
But on scene, I ain't right back, I don't trust nobody.
I'm not gonna lie, I regret coming when a lot of the people just got out of work, so they're taking their kids back to school shopping. So it's kind of crowded in here. I should have came like early in the morning or something.
Y'all know what to say. You ain't me, so it's hard to relate. What? How much cash I fuck off every day? Big bag. Don't play with me, baby. Go play with your pussy. You see them in person, these niggas be shooting. $100 it cost you a Quavo to book. I'm worth it, the proof in the pudding. Surrounded by bitch.
It's a little crowded, making it a little stressful all over the place. I got a few things, but not all my things. I'm gonna have to find somewhere else to get the rest. Right now I'm about to get some concealer. I need some concealer, you know. Can't go wrong with back to school makeup. So I'm about to find some concealer for under my eyes. I usually like e.l.f. They changed this whole Walmart around, so I'm trying to find everything. Some stuff I couldn't find because I'm a bit particular. Like, for example, some people don't care what notebook, but I like wide ruled notebook. But some people were getting, there's a bunch of college ruled notebooks. I like wide ruled particularly. Don't ask me why, I don't know. I just like having more space to write. I never like college ruled. And then like my notebooks, I don't like it just plain any color. I like it to be my favorite color, but most of my stuff will be done like online this time. I did find this, and I've been looking everywhere for this. This is my favorite whiteout.
Stop playing with them, Brian. How can I lose if I'm already chose? Like,
See, I got me a Kit Kat for all my hard work I just did.
the party not lit, then I'd rather not go. If she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I got a bitch tight every time that I post. Things not bad, they be on my ass. I can hear you hating from the back. Balenciaga baddie got a bag. Nigga merchant ate it from the back. Niggas feeling gotta play it cool. Got the zaddy, I'ma make a move. Breaking records and I'm breaking news.
So guys, I just finished really like back to school shopping a little bit. So I'm gonna do on Amazon. So I'm gonna order online just to get like a few things, like a book stand, some other stuff. Thank you. Yeah, I needed some extra seasoning on my chicken because a little intermission because it was time to get my food, and I had to tell them to put some more seasoning. If you're from Chicago or Atlanta, you know how good their food is. I did forget to get a drink though, that's my bad. But I am tired, my head is banging because I'm just ready to eat. So yeah, I finished my back to school shopping, and I do have to do a little bit of stuff on like Amazon, and it should get here in about 1 to 2 days because I have Prime, thankfully. So that should all be settled, and then I think I'll be really prepared. Now as far as like dorm shopping, another day, just because I'm not sure how I want to do my dorm, my apartment this semester, so we'll see. So I'm finally back. A scam likely caller just called me like, why are you interrupting my video? So I'm gonna tell y'all what I got. First things first, I got me some highlighters, and I got it from Sharpie this time. Like I told you, I'm really specific. I usually get big highlighters, but this time I had to get Sharpie ones because these ones, like I was trying to tell y'all, it was just so crowded. You guys probably couldn't hear me. These like literally says it won't bleed out, and my textbook papers, I mean my textbook pages are kind of like thin and they're like big, so I don't want it to like, I don't want to highlight and it goes right through. So like these ones are perfect because they're smear guard, and the other highlighters, they don't really state that they won't go through the paper, but these ones specifically state that they won't smear or like bleed through the paper. So it's perfect for me, and it has a light blue. I love this light blue. So next I got the big whiteout. I actually got two types because what usually happens, since it's tape, sometimes when I let people borrow it, people always find this cool. Like I've always had it like since high school. People always will find it cool, and then I look over and I don't know what they're doing. They always ruin it. So just in case, I have a second one, a backup. And yes, y'all, like I write with pens. I don't really write with pencils anymore since high school. I just gravitated towards pens. So, but you know, sometimes if I make a mistake, I don't like crossing it out because it makes my page look so janky. So I just love using like this little whiteout tape and just continue to write right over it. So next I got sticky notes. I already started using it just because I had a online virtual meeting today, so I had to already start jotting down on it. But like I got a few like sticky notes. I have green, this color, and I have pink. I don't know where I put the pink. And then I also got these sticky flags, which are also like sticky notes, but this time like I could like put them in my textbook. I don't know, somebody told me that I would need them, so I just got it. It was only like $3, so I was like, okay, cool. And then I can like kind of make my own bookmarks in my textbook because my classes are kind of textbook heavy this year. I got these, y'all. I've been wanting these for so long. These are the transparent sticky notes, and with these, like basically, okay, so for example, you know when you put these sticky notes, like they're colored, right? This one is actually clear. So say if you put it on a page full of a whole bunch of writing, this is going to lay down on it and it's not even gonna look like you put any sticky note on it, and you can like write over it. I don't know, it seems like really cool if you really get the concept, or if you've seen someone like actually use it. It's really cool because it's kind of looking like I'm writing the textbook, but I'm not really writing the textbook, and I'm gonna need that. Additionally, y'all, so I got a stapler. I got a mini stapler, and of course I wanted to get pink. I love me some pink. Oh, bless me. Do y'all do that if nobody's there to say bless you? You just like bless me. I do that even when people in the room. I'll be like bless me, because God bless me. So I got me a pack of staples so that way I could put in my new stapler. I already put it in there. So now look what I can do. Harriet, look at this staple. I hate having to wait to class and finding the stapler sometimes when I do need it. This little section in my face is, why is it so, whatever. I had to get this week planner. This helps me stay on top and on track of everything. I truly believe having a planner is one of the reasons why I've like always been a straight A student. Planners are the way to go. Like literally, like I don't like monthly planners. I don't like the monthly calendars. Even though I mark stuff in my calendar, I definitely abide by weekly planner. For example, it'll say like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and I can like be putting stuff on there. I like it when it's weekly and not monthly. So I also bought more sticky note tabs just in case. That was, I don't know. I bought a Sharpie. I already opened it, but I love me a good fine tip Sharpie. I actually bought 2 of these, so I have that. So Bic is my favorite brand when it comes to pens. Like any type of pens, like I'm always getting Bic. I love Bic pens. Just the way it writes, like my penmanship when I'm writing with a Bic pen is beautiful. Like my handwriting definitely is really cute with it, so that's why I got it. One best-selling pen, so technically I'm probably not the only one who loves them. So yeah, I get the black ink. The last few things that I got were of course notebooks. So I got this one, y'all. Can y'all believe they marked this down for 50 cents? Like it's not just a regular notebook either. Like it's a 3 subject wide ruled, and it was marked down for 50 cents. That's not normal. I was like, okay. And 5-star, y'all. I love 5-star notebooks. Like I told y'all, I only use wide ruled. I do not like using college ruled, just thin lines. I don't know, I just really don't like them. And I like this one because, you know, the water resistant cover, I love that. I don't really like the paper cover. I like the, y'all probably like, this girl is so picky, particular. So let me just stop talking. I finally outgrew the notebooks where it has like all the cute designs, and now I just get a simple color because it gets difficult to find and I need to grow up, you know. I'm taking 5 classes this semester, so this I think 2 of my classes I'll really pretty much be writing on, you know, those transparent sticky notes in the textbook, and then the rest will definitely take notes. I'm definitely a big note taker, and just in case I need like a notebook for another class, I just went ahead and bought a real cheap one at Walmart for literally 35 cents. So I went ahead and got that too, and yeah, this one is the, you know, the paper cover and whatnot, and that's that. I have a pack of 5 big pencils just in case I do need pencils, mechanical pencils. I don't like using the regular wooden pencils. I bought this thing. So it looks like this. It's really compact, and then I guess, oops, you open it and then it does like this. So it's like a stand, and I'm gonna be using it just to multitask. So if I want to like put my phone on there, like I could just sit it on my desk while I'm, you know, typing at my laptop or something. Or it's gonna be really good like if I'm on, like, I don't know, if I'm on a Zoom on my iPad or just doing anything on my iPad, I can literally just prop it up like this. So like that's gonna be really cute and cool. As far as like actual particular school supplies, the rest I'm gonna have to buy on Amazon, and that's really like a book stand for class, and then also some scissors. I need scissors. I'm gonna need scissors. So I'm gonna get some blue light glasses. They're gonna look just like my glasses. Because I'm on the laptop a lot, my eyes get really strained, and yeah, I'm gonna need it. If you're a pre-law major or even like a law student, like in college or in law school, you know, it's a lot of reading that you have to go through. So your eyes get strained. You have like the books that you're gonna have to be reading a lot and all that stuff. So I went ahead and bought a few little emergency things, such as Aleve. I love me some Aleve. I don't really use Advil or ibuprofen. I'm definitely an Aleve type of girl. This is gonna be great for like cramps or whatever. I'm definitely gonna put this in my book bag if I have a headache or somebody stressing me out, professor irritated me. I'm definitely gonna use it. Also bought some makeup wipes just in case I wanna you know, wipe my face or just at night. I'm gonna need that in my emergency kit. I did an emergency kit video. You guys find it up here. Unfortunately, I don't know what happened. The music got so loud at the end, so it kind of cuts out. But it's really informational. If you guys watch it, definitely check that out. Also, I went ahead and bought some facial moisturizing lotion from CeraVe. And it's also broad spectrum sunscreen that I'm gonna be needing. I bought a pack of clips. I already started using them just in case, like right now, I'm not really gonna be having braids this semester, but I know I'll definitely be having me some long bundles. So I know just in case getting, because I have some long classes this semester, like they're like 2 to 3 hours long, some of them. So yeah, just in case, like I will definitely clip it right up. So I bought that just to have in my bag. Bought like hand sanitizer, like as a refill sanitizer. And what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna keep some of this in my book bag, but also my purse, like my wallet that I keep around, I'm just gonna like refill my sanitizer bottle because it's completely empty. I'm just gonna refill it so I have it on go when I'm walking around with my wallet. Also bought some deodorant. I definitely highly recommend keeping deodorant in your book bag because you just never know. You never want to, you know, go out like that. And I bought me some wipes by Cottonelle. These are like flushable wipes. This ring light is just so bright. So I bought this and I'm gonna keep it in my bag because I'm not gonna lie, there has been some instances where I just can't hold it anymore and I end up using one of the school bathrooms and there's like no tissue. But normally I'm usually good. I usually be like, hey, from the next stall, can you pass me some tissue? They usually always bring me tissue. But just in case, I will have my own flushable wipes. And then lastly, you guys saw me shopping for some concealer. I am a very sleepy girl, yet I sleep so late and my classes are like usually so early. I think my earliest class this semester is 9:30 in the morning. So which means I'm gonna be having to wake up like 8:30 or 8, like just maybe depending. So I bought me some concealer. Sometimes I don't really want to wear foundation or any powder or anything, especially if my skin is looking like good or clear. So I like to just conceal under my eyes because I do have heavy bags. I do not get the best sleep. I'm not a healthy sleeper. Like I probably get 4 or 5 hours max. Of course, being the summer, I get me a good 6, 7, but you know, during the school year, I really only get about 4 or 5 hours max. So I bought me some concealer from e.l.f. I actually bought 2. This is more of my shade, 2 shades lighter than me. So I use this one under my eyes, and I'm just going to be concealing probably under my eyes. And then I bought the light one just in case like I want to get like cute. I like to do like a bright under eye. But anyways, that was literally my entire shopping besides the stuff I have to order online. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and definitely share. If we're not besties yet, you definitely need to subscribe so we become besties. There's a lot more college vlogs gonna be coming up. I wish you guys a really good school year. But anyways, love you guys much.
I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me.